Hello and welcome to M-tel again. Right, I've been working on this 1.8 tdci engine, which is like similar to like a KKDA F9Q. Basically, it's out of a Ford Galaxy 1.8 tdci. I've stripped the head down, basically cleaned it up as like a little bit, and in the process of me doing it, I've found something with the cylinder head, which is quite rare, which I want to show you basically. Basically what it is, on cylinder number 3, which is this cylinder here, there's corrosion around one of the valve seats, so bad pitting. And basically what it looks like is there's a crack in the cylinder head, but rather than being able to see this crack because it's not on the face or between a waterway, the crack is actually in behind the valve seat basically. And what happens over time is the moisture then creeps and rots away the cylinder face until it blows into the cylinder, then basically rots the face away on the cylinder. And that's what's happened to this. So I'm going to show you now. Right, so basically if you look, this is cylinder 2 and this is cylinder 3. If you look around cylinder 3, there's all this corrosion around here. And basically this shows that basically moisture has been creeping past this valve seat, because you can see it all comes up from this side of the valve seat. The moisture has been creeping around onto the cylinder face. Then through time, obviously this has happened over a long period of time, it's corroded the cylinder face away. The reason being is there's a crack probably underneath this cylinder, underneath this valve seat. And then over time, slowly but surely, as it corrodes the head away, the gases then start bypassing the side of the valve seat and then start jetting into the head basically and pressurising the cylinder head. And that's why what has basically been going on with this Ford Galaxy. Basically its coolant system's been pressurising and blowing all the hoses. So yeah, so very rare fault there. Just thought I'd show you about the corrosion. So if you ever have a steel head and you see this round one of your valve seats, like this type of corrosion and pitting, as you can see, the other ones haven't got it. Like this one's nice and true, this one's the same, nice and clean, but then this one's all corroded up around here, and that's what probably is causing it. Is there's a crack in behind the valve seat. So yeah, so keep an eye out for that. So if you ever see it, that's the way to spot it, the corrosion on the cylinder face. And there you go. Right, anyway, hope that's been interesting and helpful to you. If you're ever doing head gaskets or a steel head and you find that basically on your cylinder face around one of your valve seats, that's probably what it is, and that's probably where your head gasket problem's coming from. So if you've changed your head gasket and it's still pressurising and you think, what the hell's going on here? And you remember, and then see this video and remember when you had your head apart, you had this round one of your valve seats. It's a good possibility of what it is, basically, a crack behind the valve seat. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that bit of information, and if you have, please like and subscribe, and I'll speak to you again soon. Thank you very much.